Hello everyone and welcome to Money Talk with Jay. In last week's video, we've talked about how to invest in Australia and the 4 broad asset classes that you have access to. If you haven't checked that one out, I will drop a link for you to watch. And in today's video, I'll be comparing 12 different trading platforms in Australia for investing and trading shares. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then turn on the notification bell. Know that this is not a financial advice for you to go and invest. Simply sharing my experiences and comparing different brokerage that you have access to. And make sure you watch all the way to the end because I'll be revealing the best trading platform, in my opinion, for Australian share, ETFs, international share, US share for beginners, as well as more frequent traders. Let's go. I'll break down the trading platform into different categories. The first one will be the big 4 banks. I'm a huge geek on using Excels, so let's have a look together. The first one is CommSec. The Australian share fee is $10 from $0 to $1,000 trade, and $19.95 anything over $1,000 up until $10K, and $29.95 between $10K to $25K. Anything above $25K is 0.12%. For all of the big 4 banks, I do not recommend trading international shares on it because it's extremely expensive. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm not a huge fan of fees. Though this brokerage fee is not tax deductible, you can actually include them in your calculation of the cost. If you guys want me to do a video to share some of the tax tips on trading shares or just general tax tips, let me know in the comment down below. Some of the app feature that CommSec have is it provides you with analytical information such as PE ratios, EPS, which stands for earnings per share, as well as the market cap. It also provides you with the dividend information, which for me is very handy. It gives you the dividend stability percentage, it gives you the dividend per share, as well as the date for the last dividend that's been issued. It also provides the chart, indicators, etc. for you to use, which is really handy if you want to compare to see the trend between the past couple of years or in the last month or so. It also provides you with a recommendation. So those are the Morningstar valuation, consensus, Goldman Sachs, etc. It will give you a general recommendation on whether the stock is overvalued, fair value, and they will say whether that's buy, sell, or strongly buy or strongly sell. So by using this app, it actually allows you to have access to all of the top tier financial institution that's doing the analysis for you and to give you a little bit guide on what's the price at the moment. The other feature for me that I really like is the company information. So this is like a 1 paragraph where it will provide you on what does the company do, what is their key products, what is their key services, and which field are they operating in. So if you have no idea about the code, say for example, QAN, which stands for Qantas, then you can go scroll down to the company information page, which will give you a little bit of information about the share. The other one they have is the message/email alert. So this one basically what it means is if the price touched a certain percentage, it dropped or increased to a certain price, it will push a notification message or email, whichever you prefer, on your devices, so you get notified ASAP. The second one on my list is the ANZ E-Trade. The Australian share price for this one is $19.95 to $29.95 for anything between $0 to 28K, and anything above 28K, it's 0.11%. Again, I do not recommend this one for international share because it's extremely expensive and you can pay up to $60 for a US trade. Some of the app features in ANZ is Unfortunately, it doesn't have a dedicated app for trading, and it also doesn't allow you to research the stocks or ETFs through the app. What it does to you is give you a view for you to see your balances. So I guess that's one of the biggest catch on using ANZ for share trading, because the mobile app doesn't have a tons of advanced features or allow you to place a trade on the go. You won't get access to the advanced chart, news feeds, or analytical tools that's available through the web interface. You can view your investment account balance, but not your current profit or loss, unrealized gains, or open stock position. If you need those features on your mobile devices, the option is for you to log into your ANZ account through the web browser. The third one on my list is the NAB trade. Compared to the first two, it is slightly cheaper for the trade that's up to 5K. The price is $14.95, and anything between $5,001 to 20K is $19.95. Anything above the 20K mark is 0.11%. They do provide the dividend information, some of the chart and analytical indicators. It also gives you the research recommendation field similar to the ComSec app. However, the app has been recently updated with the new interface, and some people say the basic information is now missing. So I'm not sure because I don't use NAB Trade myself. If you use NAB Trade, let me know in the comment down below whether you like it or hate it. The last one on the list for the Big Four bank is Westpac. The Westpac fee for Australian share is $19.95 to $29.95. However, if you don't bank with Westpac, you will be paid $29.95 per trade. The app feature is very similar to the NAB trade. I think some of the app features are not very user-friendly, as well as the interface is not up to date. So out of the Big Four banks, I do think that ComSec is the best one for beginner investors who invest in long-term and have a handful of Australian shares in mind that they want to trade or invest in. Because ComSec has the best interface out of the Big Four banks, including free information, technical analysis, and etc. If you're a new investor just getting started on your investing journey, and the amount that you invest is around $1,000 per trade, I highly recommend ComSec because it's safe, user-friendly, and most likely you already bank with CommBank. Now, let's have a look at the other trading platforms out there apart from the Big Four bank. I'll be introducing the fees, cool features, and whether that's Chase sponsored, etc. For those of you who doesn't know, Chase sponsored basically means that you have directly ownership of the share, and ASX will keep a list of your names as owner of the share. So what it means is that you directly own the share rather than someone else holding that on your behalf. You will also receive dividend directly, and you can vote on company decisions, or you can choose to reinvest that dividend. One of the things that missed out by a lot of people is that if your broker is not Chase sponsor, it might be difficult for you to transfer shares to another brokerage in the future. So make sure you check that information with your broker. The first one on my list is CMC Market. For Australian share, it's an $11 flat rate per share. And they also have like $0 per trade for the US share with a foreign exchange rate of 0.6%. However, they do have like an investment minimum of 1K. So if you just want to invest like a couple of $100s, this might not be the best one for you. Apart from the ETF, you also have other trading products such as CFDs, which stand for Contract for Differences. This is like a derivative for you to trade. It also gives you options to trading crypto, foreign exchange, indices, and commodities. CMC Market is a Chase sponsored. Some of the really cool features on their app is They offer you a diverse range of trading product, and it has like chart and indicator for analysis. However, the interface is not really user-friendly for beginners. The next one on my list is eToro. Not sure about you guys, but then I still remember they have this app about a guy wanting to invest in a barrel of oil, and then they just roll the barrel of oil into the elevator. If you haven't seen that one, I'll drop a link in the comment for you to watch, just for entertainment. For Australian shares, they don't have that on eToro, but they do have a wide range of US shares as well as other international shares where you can trade with $0. They do have a withdrawal fee of $5. You also have access to other ETFs that's not listed on the ASX. Similar to CMC Market, they do offer a wide range of trading products such as CFDs, crypto. I heard a lot of good feedback on trading crypto on eToro, so make sure you check it out if that's something that you want to invest in. They also have foreign exchange, indices, as well as commodities. However, because they don't have Australian share, eToro is not CHESS sponsored. One of the really cool features I like about eToro is it allows you to copy trading. What it means is that if you follow someone's profile trading, you can literally follow them in real time. So if, for example, you want to follow me, I bought a Tesla today for $1,000, then you'll be able to copy that trade into your profile as well. eToro also allows you to buy stocks and CFDs with leverage. However, I don't think it's very suitable for more advanced traders because they don't allow you to perform a lot of the technical analysis within the platform itself. Move on to the third one, Pearler. Pearler allows you to trade Australian share for $9.50 per trade. It also have recently launched the US trading function, which have $6.50 per trade with the foreign exchange rate of 0.36%. They also allow you to buy ETF for free because the whole philosophy of Pearler is for you to hold for the long term. However, it doesn't offer any other trading products such as CFDs or crypto on the platform at the moment. One of the app features that they have is auto invest, which is something that I really like. Say for example, if you want to invest every week, every month, or any frequency that you like, you can set that up in the app. This also allows you to dollar cost average your investment. If you watch my 7 common investment mistakes video, then you will know time in the market beats timing the market. I also like the Pearler interface, as well as it gives you the access to other people's profile, which allow you to invest like other influencers. I've also got an affiliate link down in the description if you would like to sign up using my code. Then both of us will get 2 credits. Some of the features that doesn't include in the Pearler app at the moment is the technical analysis. So it doesn't give you information such as the PE ratio, dividend information, or anything like that. The fourth one on my list is Superhero. Superhero allow you to trade Australian share for $5 per trade. In terms of the US share, you can trade that for $0 with the foreign exchange rate of 0.7%. It also have the buy ETF for free features, which perfectly align with the Pearler hold for long term. Similar to Pearler, it doesn't have any other trading product on the Superhero platform, and it is not a CHESS sponsored broker. Some of the really cool features about Superhero is that you can trade with super low brokerage fee, and there's no minimum trading features on the platform. Next up on the list, Stake. It's also one of my personal favorite and the one that I use the most frequent. It allows you to trade Australian share for $3. They also allow you to trade US share for $0 with the foreign exchange rate of 0.7%. It's also exactly the same fee for Australian ETF as well as US ETF. Currently, they do not offer other trading products, and it is a CHESS-sponsored brokerage. Some of the app feature of Stake is that it gives you the technical analysis in detail for $7.50 per month if you'd like to choose that. So it will provide you information such as the company earning, EPS, balance sheet, and other financial information. You also have a great interface of the app. I absolutely love their search function because it allows you to search by industry as well as keywords. For example, you type in agriculture, it will have all of the stocks that's related to agriculture or in the agriculture industry listed for you. It will also give you a brief paragraph on the company information, which is very similar to CommSec. Some of the features that Stake doesn't have is it doesn't give you access to other people's profile, and it doesn't have the auto invest function at the moment. Regardless, it's still one of my most loved trading platform out there. I've got a referral code down in the description. If you sign up, you'll get a free stock and I'll get a free stock. And the free stock can be Nike, GoPro, or Dropbox. Next up on my list, SelfWealth. SelfWealth give you the option to trade Australian share for $9.50 or $9.50 USD for the US share with the foreign exchange rate of 0.6%. They do have the ETF function as well. What's really cool that they recently launched is the Hong Kong Stock Exchange that you can trade with around $15 AUD per trade. SelfWealth is CHESS sponsored with the app features such as graphs, charts, indicators, financials for analysis. It does not have a minimum account balance requirement, and it's very easy to use the app and has a very clean interface. However, one of the downside of SelfWealth is that it's not very cheap for trading US shares because it's around $13 per trade. The second last one on my list is IG. IG gives you the option to trade Australian share for $5 per share, which is relatively cheap. It also provides the $0 per trade for US share with the foreign exchange rate of 0.7%. You do have access to a range of ETFs as well as other CFDs, crypto, foreign exchange, indices, or commodities. However, IG is not a CHESS-sponsored brokerage. What I like about IG is it gives you a range of trading products. It has charts, indicators for analysis. It does have a relatively clean interface. However, I don't think it's very beginner-friendly because of its casino-like market update and refreshes. The last one on my list is OpenTrader. OpenTrader currently have $5 for all the trade up to 5K, $10 to $15 for trades between $5,001 to 15K, or 0.1% for anything over 15K. Currently, it does not offer US shares. However, you do have ETF if they are listed on the ASX. OpenTrader is a CHESS-sponsored broker. One of the interesting features is it doesn't currently have an app for OpenTrader. So now you have a 12 trading platform that you have access to in Australia. And I'm also going to be revealing the best trading platform for different purposes in 2022. Number 1, best app for beginners investing in Australian share and trading amount below $1,000, CommSec. Number 2, best ETF broker for long-term investors. Pala. Number 3, best Australian and US investing platform. Stake. Number 4, best value for money trading platform for advanced traders. CMC Market. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you guys very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find the information valuable, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, as it does help to grow the channel as well as the community, which will then allow me to produce more valuable content in the future for you to watch. That's it for today. This is Money Talk with Jay, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!